Can you explain us what you do in iSEW digital and what kind of advancements that you bring in?
We work primarily in the stitching area of the factory. I've designed and developed over 30 years.
What is the specific part of textile manufacturing that you concentrate to automate?
Where we semi-automate or automate the operation, can do many various things. The purpose of our semi-automation and automated products is to take away the requirement for skilled labor.
The component integration of your technology becomes more automated or semi-automated?
We have various brands you've mentioned. We've worked with all of those brands, at least their machines.
Can you name a few of them?
We work very strongly with Pegasus. Pegasus have been a good partner for us over the years.
This is very interesting because this is exactly what we are also working on at RDX.
So the problem and the challenge that factories globally, doesn't matter which country they're in.
How do you feel to adapt to these kind of advancements in technology?
The best practice is required by people in these factories because the challenges are different. There are many, many investments happening in India. And very recently I was in a factory. They had skilled labor, they've had skilled labor for the last 5 years.
What do you feel about RDX and our customers, like the way they're working with our machines?
This is my first time in Tirupur, so first of all I was very surprised to see what I saw. There was one company in particular that hand screen printing.
Okay, you're talking about the table printing?
Yes.
The long tables?
Yeah, so really massive table doing printing there, and he developed and evolved, and the RDX was being used in full production.